Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Old Love on guitar. We'll start by breaking down the fundamental chord shapes you'll need. The song primarily uses a bluesy progression in the key of C minor, so understanding these core voicings is crucial. Pay close attention to transitioning smoothly between each chord, as this will lay a solid foundation for the entire piece. Mastering these initial steps will make learning the rest of the song much easier and more enjoyable. Next, let's dive into the strumming pattern and rhythm that gives Old Love its distinctive feel. The song features a consistent down-up strumming motion, often with a slight shuffle. It's important to capture this bluesy groove, so listen carefully to the original recording. Practice maintaining a steady tempo throughout the verses and choruses. A solid rhythmic foundation will make your playing sound authentic and professional, allowing the melody to truly shine. Now, let's explore the iconic lead guitar riffs and fills that define Old Love. These parts often involve expressive string bending and controlled vibrato, adding significant emotion to the music. Focus on the precise timing and pitch of each bend. Practice integrating these lead elements seamlessly into the underlying chord progression. Learning these signature licks will elevate your performance, capturing the true essence and soulful expression of the song. Finally, let's discuss effective practice strategies and performance tips. Always begin practicing slowly, focusing on accuracy over speed to build strong muscle memory. Utilize a metronome to refine your timing and ensure a consistent rhythm. As you gain confidence, gradually increase your tempo. Remember, consistent, focused practice for even 15 to 20 minutes daily will yield significant improvements in your playing and overall musicality.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.